Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to deposit cash in Revolut. First step, open up your Revolut app and use your fingerprint or your PIN to log in. Now that you are in your Revolut app, click on Add Money right here. Now, if you didn't add a source of your money, just add a Google Pay right here, or you can change it here to a different, so let's say to a regular bank transfer or debit or credit card. So choose which one you like. I like Google Pay because it is really quick. Then choose your currency right here. I will choose Euro, and here type how much money do you want to deposit. So I will type 10 euros and click on GPay. So this will open up Google Pay, and click on continue right here and use your fingerprint to get in. Now you should see this load bar, and when it's done, your transaction is proceeding. So your money should be in your account shortly. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you deposit cash in Revolut. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.